In this video you will learn how to import a cadastral plan as a DWG into Allplan. The DWG file is located in the cadastral plan folder of the zip file Allplan Start Now, which you can find in the additional material. The cadastral plan then serves as the basis for determining the exact location of the building to be constructed. Under Open on a project-specific basis, Drawing File 21 Site Plan is activated. Click on the Allplan logo in the top left-hand corner of the title bar. Click on Import in the drop-down menu and then select Import Autocad data. Now select the location of the downloaded DWG file in the browser and click on the file cadastralplan.dwg. You can display a preview of the DWG file under the Details button. Now click on the button with the cogwheel symbol for the settings. Under the settings for data exchange, Allplan offers numerous options to optimize data exchange, for example pre-configured exchange favorites. Now select the Exchange Favorite 11 import model to a drawing file with layer. In this favorite, the necessary presetting for importing the Autocad model area with layer has already been made. Confirm the settings screen with OK. In the following window, you can make numerous assignments for the data exchange under change in order to optimize it further. In this example, you do not have to make any assignments and can confirm this mask with OK. The site plan is now imported. After each import of foreign formats, it is recommended to make a control measurement. The distance between the cadastral points has to be 50 meters. To facilitate further input, it is recommended to rotate the site plan so that the bottom edge of the plot corresponds to the X direction. Before the site plan gets rotated, a north arrow from the library is set down. In the library palette, select the north arrow type J under the path standard, 2D objects, north arrows, and scale bars. By double-clicking the left mouse button in the preview window, the north arrow hangs on the crosshair. In the input options, select the default set-off point and set the delta angle for angle jump to 90 degrees. To rotate the north arrow on the crosshair, click in the dialog line in the input field behind library, symbol starting point, and then press the plus key on the keyboard once. The north arrow symbol is now properly aligned and can be placed in the upper right corner of the plot. To preserve the original position of the site plan, it is copied to drawing file 22 and then rotated. With the range input or the shortcut Ctrl+A, everything is marked. With the shortcut Ctrl+C or via Edit, Copy, the site plan can be copied to the clipboard. Drawing file 22 site plan rotated is activated and drawing file 21 site plan is deactivated. Under Edit, paste the site plan at the original position or with the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+V the site plan can be inserted in the correct position. The next step is to rotate the site plan so that the bottom edge of the plot becomes the X direction. Since the angle of rotation is not known, an auxiliary line is drawn for rotation. The starting point of the auxiliary line is the lower left corner of the plot. Draw the auxiliary line with a distance of 100 meters in X direction and exit the function. With Ctrl+A or the area input, everything is marked. Now click with the right mouse button in the empty area of the drawing surface and select the command Rotate from the context menu. Now click on the starting point of the line you have just drawn as the pivot point. The lower edge of the plot is clicked as the reference line. The pre-drawn auxiliary line serves as a direction line and is clicked on. With Escape, the elements are deselected again, and the function is exited. The auxiliary line can be deleted again, and with F5 or double-click on the mouse wheel the image buildup is executed. The rotated site plan is now available for the other lessons.